If you want to fix Messenger app not working problem, then this is the right video for you. So the very first thing we have to do, we have to go to the Play Store. Yes guys, we have to go to the Play Store, and on the search bar you have to type Messenger, okay? And after hitting that, just click on the update, because by updating the app this may fix your problem. So make sure to update the app right now, and after updating the app, if the app work properly, then this is very awesome, and if it doesn't, then I have another solution for you guys. So you have to do one thing, just click and hold this Messenger mobile application and just go to the app info. You can go from the settings too, and you have to click on the storage usage here, and you have to clear all the cache, okay? And after clearing all the cache, this may fix your problem. But if it doesn't, then this is the last solution, and it will definitely fix your problem. That is clear data. So what is clear data? After clearing data, this will unload and delete all the waste data that is present in the Messenger app, and this will make completely free. You have to just re-log in after deleting the data into the Messenger mobile application, and this will work perfectly fine. So I hope guys you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.